What? What you said? I said you pussy. So what's up?
Don't suck. This nigga don't want the war.
Back down. Chill. Bro, my stomach hurts. Chill. Go back down. You better get the pussy. You better back the fuck up before I knock you the fuck out. Yeah, y'all open the next time. Stop.